So here's Geocaching app. It's okay, that was a preset, but here's Geocaching app. It's yeah, one of the top apps, like, for entertainment and to finding some next adventures, to spending time in an interesting way. I think this is one of the top apps for that, be exact this one with a green icon, because there are so many apps this category from different developers. So yep, you can just use Touch ID to install it. So the developer is Groundspeak. So that's the app which you can try out. Oh, okay, if there is some error or something. So yep. For some reason, maybe I just have some bugs on my device or app store, but just so you know, this is the app which you can try to download.